Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the name of the large inland sea located in northern Canada, also known for its significant role in the fur trade? Is it A. James Bay, B. Baffin Bay, or C. Hudson Bay? It is C. Hudson Bay. What was the primary purpose of the Saturn V rocket? Is it A. Space station supply, B. Satellite deployment, or C. Moon landing? It is C. Moon landing. What is the primary function of adrenaline in the human body? Is it A. Stimulates digestion, B. Increases heart rate, or C. Regulates sleep? It is B. Increases heart rate. What position did Nguyen Xuan Phuc hold as the leader of Vietnam from 2016 to 2021? Is it A. President, B. Prime Minister, or C. General Secretary? It is B. Prime Minister. What is the capital city of Peru? Is it A. Arequipa, B. Cusco, or C. Lima? It is C. Lima. What is the primary goal of the environmental movement? Is it A. Promoting industrial growth, B. Protecting natural resources, or C. Increasing urban development? It is B. Protecting natural resources. What is the main theme of the book Scythe by Neil Shusterman? Is it A. Immortality, B. Time travel, or C. Space exploration? It is A. Immortality. What African country's capital is Kigali? Is it A. Kenya, B. Uganda, or C. Rwanda? It is C. Rwanda. What process explains how species change over time through natural selection? Is it A. Creation, B. Revolution, or C. Evolution? It is C. Evolution. What is the fictional African country where the story of Black Panther is set? Is it A. Wakanda, B. Zamunda, or C. Genosha? It is A. Wakanda. What is the primary setting for the television series Grey's Anatomy? Is it A. Gym, B. School, or C. Hospital? It is C. Hospital. What is the title of Martin Heidegger's most famous work, which explores the concept of being? Is it A. Thus Spoke Zarathustra, B. Critique of Pure Reason, or C. Being and Time? It is C. Being and Time. What scientific contribution is Dmitri Mendeleev best known for? Is it A. Atomic theory, B. Periodic table, or C. Radioactivity? It is B. Periodic table. What is the primary theme explored in The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood? Is it A. Space exploration, B. Gender oppression, or C. Animal rights? It is B. Gender oppression. What is Hestia the Greek goddess of? Is it A. Hearth, B. War, or C. Wisdom? It is A. Hearth. In which movie did Scarlett Johansson portray the character Black Widow? Is it A. Iron Man, B. The Avengers, or C. Thor? It is B. The Avengers. Which invention is Nikola Tesla best known for that revolutionized the transmission of electricity? Is it A. Direct current, B. Alternating current, or C. Solar panels? It is B. Alternating current. Which conflict did Joan of Arc help to lead the French forces during? Is it A. 100 Years' War, B. World War I, or C. Napoleonic Wars? It is A. 100 Years' War. What is the primary habitat of reindeer in the wild? Is it A. Tundra, B. Desert, or C. Rainforest? It is A. Tundra. What event is commonly considered the starting point of World War II? Is it A. Attack on Pearl Harbor, B. Invasion of Poland, or C. D-Day invasion? It is B. Invasion of Poland. Which artwork is Gustav Klimt famous for that features a gold leaf design and depicts a couple embracing? Is it A. The Kiss, B. The Thinker, or C. The Scream? It is A. The Kiss. What is the capital city of Grenada? Is it A. St. George's, B. Bridgetown, or C. Port of Spain? It is A. St. George's. What type of game is Candyland? Is it A. Video game, B. Card game, or C. Board game? It is C. Board game. What is the primary purpose of regression analysis in statistics? Is it A. Create graphics, B. Analyze variance, or C. Predict outcomes? It is C. Predict outcomes. Who is the author of The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? Is it A. J.D. Salinger, B. Ernest Hemingway, or C. Mark Twain? It is C. Mark Twain. What is the primary function of the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul, Turkey, after its conversion in 1935? Is it A. Museum, B. Mosque, or C. Library? It is A. Museum. What was the primary mission of the Space Shuttle Challenger that ended in tragedy in 1986? Is it A. Scientific research, B. Space station construction, or C. Launching satellites? It is C. Launching satellites. What is the atomic number of francium? Is it A. 103, B. 55, or C. 87? It is C. 87. What does the price-to-earnings ratio primarily measure in finance? Is it A. Revenue growth, B. Market share, or C. Company valuation? It is C. Company valuation. What is the name of the annual football match between Real Madrid and Barcelona in La Liga? Is it A. Copa del Rey, B. El Clásico, or C. Supercopa? It is B. El Clásico. What is the capital city of Rwanda? Is it A. Kampala, B. Kigali, or C. Nairobi? It is B. Kigali. What is the primary function of chromatin in eukaryotic cells? Is it A. DNA packaging, B. Protein synthesis, or C. Energy production? It is A. DNA packaging. What position does Yoon Suk-yeol currently hold in South Korea? Is it A. Prime Minister, B. President, or C. Minister of Defense? It is B. President. What is the primary meaning of login in maritime terms? Is it A. Goods made overboard, B. Shipwreck location, or C. Anchor type? It is A. Goods made overboard. What is the capital city of Pakistan? Is it A. Lahore, B. Karachi, or C. Islamabad? It is C. Islamabad. What type of educational resource does Khan Academy primarily provide? Is it A. Tutoring services, B. Textbooks, or C. Online courses? It is C. Online courses. What is Bottega Veneta primarily known for in the fashion industry? Is it A. Athletic apparel, B. Luxury leather goods, or C. Fast fashion? It is B. Luxury leather goods. What traditional activity is a key feature of Songkran, the Thai New Year celebration? Is it A. Rice planting, B. Water fights, or C. Lantern release? It is B. Water fights. Which critically acclaimed TV series tells the story of a high school teacher turned meth manufacturer? Is it A. Better Call Saul, B. The Sopranos, or C. Breaking Bad? It is C. Breaking Bad. What is Truk Lagoon famous for in the realm of scuba diving? Is it A. Marine life, B. Coral reefs, or C. Shipwrecks? It is C. Shipwrecks. In Japanese folklore, what is a common characteristic of an oni? Is it A. Fangs, B. Wings, or C. Horns? It is C. Horns. What instrument has 88 keys and is widely used in classical and modern music? Is it A. Violin, B. Piano, or C. Guitar? It is B. Piano. What is the capital city of Liechtenstein? Is it A. Zurich, B. Vaduz, or C. Bern? It is B. Vaduz. Which country is located in the Horn of Africa and is known for its long coastline along the Indian Ocean? Is it A. Somalia, B. Kenya, or C. Ethiopia? It is A. Somalia. What is stage directions in theater? Is it A. Script translation, B. Performance notes, or C. Set design plans? It is B. Performance notes. In music theory, which chord is known as the subdominant of the key of C major? Is it A. D minor, B. F major, or C. G major? It is B. F major. What is the primary purpose of alpha in the context of software development? Is it A. Project management, B. Graphic design, or C. Software testing? It is C. Software testing. Which function is Waze primarily known for? Is it A. Navigation, B. Weather updates, or C. Social networking? It is A. Navigation. Which river is Victoria Falls located on? Is it A. Nile River, B. Zambezi River, or C. Amazon River? It is B. Zambezi River. What is pyrite commonly known as due to its metallic luster? Is it A. Brass ore, B. Fool's gold, or C. Silverstone? It is B. Fool's gold. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.